Hello everybody, it's like a side kind of walk. So yeah, that's fire. That kind of happened, but decided to do something completely random. So, yeah, I'm just heading to somewhere. Just heading to a little nature walk. Cause yes, I absolutely love the nature. I'm not gonna show these cars because license plates, not a thing to keep. So there's that. Sorry, I haven't been posting videos, sorry I haven't been posting videos lately. I haven't really known what to post, so I've been working on my mod, plus working on animations, art, just a bunch of random stuff, so. And no, I'm not going to tell you my direct location and where I live, because why? Why would I do that? No. Haven't really walked alone before. It's kind of spooky. I didn't want y'all to hear the music, so I just decided to do whatever. Sorry for swearing. So I do whatever the heck I want. I just waited for the light to go. You see that? Light's red. Turn white. Become blue sign. I don't know. But it better be. It's just like maybe it's bad. Do that. Train. We're not going on the train, are we? No. No, we're not. There's berries on the bushes, but I'm probably putting some seed and give to the people I hate because yes. Out of here. Lovely place. Fire danger, I go fire. Fire is nice. I get a walk in the forest. This might be a forest. I love it so much. I'm okay, I'm perfectly fine. I'm not gonna get myself killed. Why would I get killed? Okay. Dogs know their pets are permitted here. Well, I don't have pets. I used to have a chihuahua for 2 years. He lives with my aunt now, but who cares? Flower. Very fluffy flowers. You see that? You see that? Those are fluffy. I don't know if they're poisonous, so. We gotta go in the dark. We gotta go in the dark. Da 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 da. Let's tap us. I gotta go to my favorite spot. Hooray! 9 months. Isn't that the same amount of time as pregnancy? Taking 9 months. Oh, spooky. First time here ever being alone. Going on with shoes, pair of baggy pants. No, dirty. I just washed my clothes. Yeah. People scare me. I love here. It's the bestest place. Can't go through there. Too enclosed. But then again, we gotta see that. We get to see that. Cyclists walk by bike. Oh, what's over there? I'm not going. I should have brought my map. Oh, B. I should have done that. Bees are perfectly harmless unless you get scared. They just terrify me. It's fine. Bird. I just saw a bird. Y'all seen the bird? Bird. Oh, it's a river. This small little river. Is that side? Also that side. The darkest pits of heck. Shall the rivers not flow? Okay, maybe rivers do flow in heck, but okay. This is kind of freaky. Pause to read this, alright? There. Ew, this place. I feel like I'm too happy for these. For this bridge. Hey. Oh, dragonfly. I hope y'all could see the dragonfly. Hey. I know I sound like I'm out of breath, but it's just hot. How lovely. A nice and dark pit. Just whatever. It's very nice and beautiful. I also gotta work on a theme song for Polo, one of my precious little boys. I know I sound like I inhale helium, but maybe I inhaled too much throughout my life. Look how beautiful it is. Look. Yeah, I got like 16 minutes to record this video. 16 minutes, 39 seconds. YouTube's gonna make it 16 minutes, 40 seconds. Tree. That's such a beautiful place. You know, every time I put the phone down like this, there's a person walking by. Changes everywhere. Oh, hi. You're over here. Oh, here's your education program. Wait, isn't that my usual spot? Oh, no. Oh, where's behind me? There's people up here. There's a person over there. I can't find it.
But you were also much faster. So here's what I want you to do. Between here and here, I want you guys to figure out a way to feel good about this.
okay here. I like it. I'm gonna go the other way now. I think I can't. Pretty sure over here wasn't overgrown with water plants before it was filled with water. Nothing right there. It was filled with water. You hear that? Someone's down the bridge creaking. Here's that. Green blackbird. Pretty bird. I love birds. Bird. Why'd that come out like that? 11 minutes done. 11 minutes till I go back. Corn leaf. Not 11 minutes till I go back. Like 5 minutes. I love to be. It's nice to play. What if I just fall ironically? People can. Yes.
No, my pit crash.
Over here. It's so peaceful. 12 minutes. Got 2 minutes, 4 minutes. Should I go there or there? I'm going to go there. Where darker pits. Chances are I'm going to get lost, so who cares if I get lost? What was that? I thought somebody's calling my name. Beautiful sounds of nature. Stuck in an iceberg. Stuck in an iceberg. We're stuck in an iceberg? What? No. Well, okay, I'm just thinking about that. 15 minutes, 3 minutes left. Lovely time. Not going there. That's one way to get lost. I'm trying to max my tadpole ponds. I'm going tadpole ponds. I love myself some tadpoles. Very, very beautiful tadpoles. I'm on my way to see some tadpoles. Da, 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 da. You think I can walk there? No, I probably can. But jeepers, people, like 14 minutes. Look how beautiful this place looks. It's like a meadow, but it's not. No kind of it. Flowers and berries. Even more flowers and berries all the way over there. Flowers. Treat flower. Alright. Once this video finishes, I'll go and bird. Berry. This video finishes off. Well, I'll just go back. No, I'm not placing music over this video because, yes, why would I? I don't want to use copyrighted music. I'm going to retake this whole thing. I don't want that, alright? What? Okay, I'm heading back then. Dandelion. This will be the last one this season. Okay. grab it, but it's still very. Ooh, da 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 da. Da, 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 didn't see any tadpole today. Da, da, da. There's nobody behind me or in front of me. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Back into the deep dark pits we go. I love this hike. And I'll make sure to say goodbye before it